Hey guys, it's Cassie and today we have a Dior bag reveal / unboxing, you know, whatever it is. Essentially, in this paper bag is another bag and I'm here to tell you about it. Guys, if you're new here, my name is Cassie and I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're going to love it here. So head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, you ready? Let's go. Okay, so, confession. I bought this bag before this little offer came along, and when that comes along, you can't turn it down. Alright, so, we're back to back with two bags, right? I'm going to slow down on the bags a bit. I think it's time. But I'm excited to show you this one. It's something that was on my wish list for a while, but I was really waiting for the right colour to turn up. And you will notice that there is no box with this because I asked my friend Parisa to bring it with her from the UK. Not to worry, there were no customs issues or anything like that. But basically this colour wasn't available in the US. I ordered it on the UK site, delivered it to her, and she brought it with her. Are you ready? Because you're going to see it as soon as I open it out, okay? As much as fanfare that I would like to do. Oh, what is she? Are you ready? Da 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 ra ba ba da da da. Isn't she fabulous? Okay, so this is the Dior D-Joy, and obviously, since it's been brought, I haven't, really had the chance to have a look at her in the flesh properly and take all of her, accoutrement off. But let me tell you a bit about this bag and all of that. So, this is a new bag style that they've revamped. It was done in the past before in a slightly different way, but they've tweaked it to modernise her. I should be talking as I am undoing all of these little things. The pouch, are we ready for the charms reveal? Gosh, there's a lot of plastic involved here. Let me try and do two things at once. Right, so this is an older bag design that came and went, and then they've brought it back, they've updated her a little bit, all of that. Now, she does come in a number of different variations that I will be talking to you about. With the Lady Dior, I'd never really, I could look at it and go, that's a nice bag there. Lovely bag you've got, good for you, you know? But there was never a style. Oy, this is a job in itself, isn't it? There was no variation or fabric or colour that really, reeled me in. So apparently all they had to do was sever it in half, and I was interested. I don't know why. I think it gives a little bit more of a casual look to it. I don't know what it is, but I just like the fact that, she's a bit long. There we go. Now, another interesting thing here is that I don't even know how to really describe the colour of the hardware, because in some lights it looks silver and in other lights it looks almost like a light gold. It's really nice, and obviously this is the normal Canage lambskin. So there is a lot of versatility that comes with this bag, and I will talk you through all of it. So, right, let's explore the insides. Oh, by the way, comes with one crossbody strap. We're going to go into it. And what is this, actually? What is the... Stop! This absolutely killed me. So this came in the little pouch that's what else are you telling me? Delivery slip, right? Delivery slip, and the delivery slip says, my name on it and my friend's name that I had it shipped to and all of that. Blah, blah, blah. Regards, House of Dior, little printed thing. Wonderful. Thank you very much. Are you ready? Happy 30th, my love. Olive you. Tim. Well, I'm very sorry to Tim, whose significant other did not get this little card with the back. Shout out to Tim for trying to do something lovely for your significant other. Thank you very much. Okay, so when we now open her, she has all of the kind of details and traits of a Lady Dior, but just in a long version, right? So, you've got its little flap here, suede lined, and it's got its little magnets to hold it down and keep everything safe and secure. We have another strap, another little thing. Oh, authenticity card. Wonderful. Once we take everything out inside, there's a pocket at the back there. Ooh. Let's access it. There we go. No zip or anything, just like a little sleeve there. And then you've got these little D-rings that pop out for a play. I actually wanted this bag in a blue, so when I saw this I was like, the time is nigh. And I also think it's a great colour for all seasons. She's going to rock it for a spring summer, but guess what, for an autumn winter she's not going to look too out of place either. Now let me show you all of the versatility and all of the different ways that you can wear it. Option number one, also, I mean, yeah, she does rattle a bit, keep that in mind, but option number one, top handle. And you know I love a top handle woman. Get it, girl. Cute, prim and proper. She knows what she's doing. She's got places to be. Okay? Now, then we've got this one. Pop out the D-rings and, oh, put your flaps back in. Rude. So then you can do a shoulder moment, right? So actually, that's a great way to do both of these because this can just tuck inside for when you've arrived at your destination. Maybe you don't want to be burdened with a top handle. You want it a little bit hands-free. Well, there you go. You know, so I love that. Also, I like the amount of hardware here. I think that's quite fun and interesting. Usually the straps are either all chain straps or, you know, all leather, something like that. So I liked this little hybrid. We love the hybrid. She's a Sodding 3-in-1, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, she is. Adjustable leather strap. Lovely, glorious, very nice and thick. She is a crossbody vibe.
Also, there is another way to attach the crossbody strap, which is to the rings in the middle of the bag for a slightly different vibe.
So we're tackling all angles here. We've got everything covered. She is a 3-in-1 versatile queen, and that is what we love to see. The colours that it comes in, truly, I love that they're kind of like focusing on this and adding more and more colours. There's a glorious sodding yellow. There's a coral that's also beautiful. I just had my eyes, in the back of my head, I was like, I want a blue. So let's have a look at what fits inside. Right, so she's pretty spacious in there. We have got wallet, hand sanitizer, keys, battery pack, a lip balm, blotting sheets. And even with those, I mean, you could fit a lot more in that. There we go. She's good to go. I feel like she really fills a space in my collection. Oddly, I don't have a lot of blue bags. A, I wanted her to be blue. B, I really don't have anything like this. Maybe my Bulgari is a sort of similar vibe. But I really feel like she has a unique place in my collection, which is great because I'm less about like, you know, those people that are like, oh, if you love it, you buy it in every colour. I'm less about that and I'm more about variety. And I think that she, you know, plugs a little space. I also feel like she's very New York because I do tend to gravitate more towards my bags that have a crossbody or aren't just a top handle situation at the moment. So, I mean, come on, she's a 3-in-1. She is tick, tick, tick. Do you want a casual vibe? Yes, done. Do you want, oh, maybe something a little bit more formal, maybe a little bit of a cocktail situation? Guess what? Top handle, she's done it as well. We love a girl that can do both. Get your girl that can do both. Thank you very much. And she actually fits quite a lot inside, which, as you know, I'm not really used to. But anyway, there you go. Let me know what you think about my new beauty. I'm going to leave a link to another video over here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are. And in the words of my father,
if you've enjoyed it, tell your friends. If you haven't, keep your mouth shut.
I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.